Here's how to make coffee if you're backpacking to Havasupai Indian Reservation. The gear you would need is a stove, instant coffee, some water, and just a cup to drink out of. We finally got a reservation at Havasupai Indian Reservation, and I knew I was going to want to make some coffee. We had a beautiful campsite next to the water, which made a great place to cook some food and have some coffee with your friends. I'm currently using a JetBoil, but you can use any backpacking stove that you like. I'll link some backpacking stoves below in the description if you need help finding one. I know the JetBoil is a little more expensive than others, but I've been using it for quite a bit and I love it. It boils the water super fast, it's reliable, and it's super easy to use. The campground has a spring in which you can fill up your water bladders. We didn't see anyone filtering that water, so we just did the same, but if you want to be safe, you can filter it if you like. We brought this water storage container, which is great to carry water from the spring to the campground. Our campground was about a 5-minute walk from the spring, but I highly recommend you guys bring something of this sort. That way you don't have to walk back every time you need water. Water will be needed for a lot of things since you'll be using the water for cooking your food and drinking water at the campground. This one has a nozzle you can use and it lets you adjust, which makes it super easy to pour the amount of water you want. I'll link it below if you want this exact one, but any container will do the job. I filled up my JetBoil with about 2 cups of water and let it sit till it started to boil. After it was done boiling, I let it sit for a few minutes, then I added the water to my cup. We bought instant coffee grounds and just put some in a container. I then added the instant coffee to my cup and mixed it for about 30 seconds. A little tip for when you guys go is make sure you guys bring utensils. They have some very cost-saving ones on Amazon that are super lightweight too. I like my coffee black, but feel free to bring any no-calorie sweeteners or sugar if you like. I know it looks like mud water, but I promise it's good. Give the video a like and comment below if you have any special recipes you guys make while camping.